I met an old man. I said, tell me your story. He took out an old pen and wrote something for me. He kept walking on down the road, and I watched. I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked down at what he wrote. It said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers and you'll find what you've got. I met a young man searching for glory. I took out an old pen and wrote in my story. Then I kept walking on down the road. When the time is up,
all the way down from the bridge view, the stairs, and then it brings you right here. We're going to get our first pasties in the Upper Peninsula. Let's see how it is. Has anybody tried a pasty? Let me know what you thought of it in the comments below.
Our very first pasty. We're in the Upper PA. I don't know if it's Upper PA. Upper P. Upper Peninsula. And this is a pasty. It's a beef pasty.
Beef for beef.
It's like a hot pocket. Ooh, look at that.
Ooh.
Look at that.
Wow, it's huge. We could have shared it.
For Doug.
Or Dina. Our daughter.
I feel like wow.
You didn't taste it yet. This is Susie's Pasties. Not far from getting off the bridge. Is it good?
Excellente.
Yes? All right.
Good to know.
I pray he reads what's on the note and takes to heart what I wrote. I said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, for the answers, and you'll find you've got.
What you doing?
I am eating with an amazing view of Lake Superior. We're right on the lake at Munising Tourist Campground, and it's really cold. Otherwise, I would be out there. I am actually going to try to go out there and see if I can sit for a little bit, even though it's really cold. So we just arrived at Munising Tourist Campground, and this is our view. This is our RV, and here is our right on Lake Superior. Unfortunately, it is freezing cold. It's like 39 degrees. But we can see it from the RV, which is great, out the window. Able to tour the campground. It's full hookups, which is a plus. They have a little tiny store, a couple things. They have firewood. Looks like it's mostly just the sites. I don't see any kind of amenities, but it's all about going to the Pictured Rocks cruise here, and this view, you can't beat this view. It's nice having full hookups. This is the first place, except for the beginning of the trip, that we have full hookups. Definitely not sure how many spots there are, but there's a lot. Chickens over there with all the firewood. That's where you go in. It's not so bad if you're bundled. I didn't have gloves, and when we stopped to get pasties, they have gloves that say Michigan on it. So I ended up buying those. It was like the best thing I ever bought. So at least my hands will stay warm, hopefully, on the cruise, on the boat trip. Here's when you check in. They were very nice and helpful. Oh, look, they have a little book drop. This is where you come in from the main road. Here's the check-in. Only like 3 miles from the town. It would have been like a 17-minute bike ride, maybe even faster with the e-bikes. I really like Lake Superior. It's really pretty. I just wish it wasn't so choppy, the water. I'm sure it has that blue-green color. This is the bathhouse. Here we are. There's our RV. Has a picnic table and a fire pit right on the sand. Very nice.
again, everybody. It's Scott.
And Melissa.
Welcome to RV Rolling with MJ as we continue our journey into Michigan. Where are we today, Melissa?
We are at Munising Tourist Campground in Munising, Michigan. I'm sure I'm saying that wrong.
We finally made our way into the Upper Peninsula, and that's where we are. As you can see behind us is the shores of Lake Superior, the third great lake on our journey. We've seen Lake Michigan, Lake Huron, and now Lake Superior. If you look directly across the lake, which you can't see, it's like 160 miles from here, is Canada. That's how far north we are. And as you can see, we are freezing.
Oh God,
us
it's
Floridians.
even colder than the last video. It's so cold.
So cold. But anyway, so tell us a little about the place and the campground.
Well, we got here yesterday and we kind of settled in, and you found there was a casino like next door in what's called Christmas, Michigan, which I didn't no idea about.
Just happened to come across a casino.
I mean, it's 2 seconds.
Not that I was looking for it.
He saw a big sign supposedly. So we went in and they had a huge Santa outside, and there was another place that said the North Pole but didn't look open with a big Santa. So I guess they really have the Christmas theme in that area. So that was kind of cool. And then we got ready to go to our cruise.
Which was really the highlight of this leg of the journey.
The town isn't, it was nice, but it was very small and not a lot to be offered. Maybe it's different when it's warmer during the summer, but it all is for going on the Pictured Rocks cruise, which we went on, which was great.
Which is, you see the cliffs of Lake Superior and all the formations. You'll see that in the video. Pretty cool to experience that on a nice warm day.
No,
not
it was
when
not.
It's
Oh my God,
40
we were up.
degrees at best.
No, it was 30 something, 38. But it said it felt like 29. The problem is we were on the top deck of the boat and it was very rocky. They told us that before we got on that it was going to be really rocky, and that if you get sick from being on a roller coaster, just imagine being on a roller coaster for 2 hours. Yeah. But we don't.
But we didn't.
We were fine.
We're here once.
Yeah, we had to go.
We're going to experience it.
So we froze on the top deck.
So tell us a little about the campground.
So it looks like a big campground. Of course, the best thing is this view of Lake Superior, which is nice.
Actually, the full hookups is the best part
right. I forgot about
journey.
that. Yes. First time we have full hookups, except for the beginning of the trip. Most places were water and electric, and some were just electric. So this was definitely a plus.
And it's sparsely wooded, just enough trees to make it work. Of course, this view, plenty of firewood. They're chopping for people up front.
Yeah. But we didn't sit outside because it was too cold.
Yeah, I don't see many. I did see a little basketball court or a hoop. I saw a hoop. I don't know if it's a court. So not a whole lot of amenities that I see around, but whatever.
That's what you come for, and the full hookups.
It's this, just simple, nice, and the view is absolutely spectacular. How we rate sites when we go to them, 10 being the best we've ever been to, 1 being the not so best we've ever been to. Things we consider are things like that. We consider, amenities, staff, the wow factor, any issues that we've experienced, whether pulling in or the hookups, anything like that. We all factor that in to give us our number. So, Melissa, with that said, what do you got for me?
All right, so I'm going to give this place an 8 because the big thing is this view. It's amazing. Even though I wasn't outside, I did sit with the window open, and last night was this unbelievable sunset that we saw, and the fact that it's full hookups. And it's a nice campground, and so that's why I'm going to give it an 8.
Yeah, it would have been nice to have been able to stay outside, have the fire pit going, sit out. We didn't even put my chairs out. because there was just no way. You know, I'm not going to force it when it doesn't need to be forced.
This is the first time we're sitting.
Yeah, it's the first time we're sitting. It's actually warmer than it was yesterday. I know they're going to be. You're not
I'm
going to believe
layered.
me.
I'm still cold.
But with that, I think it's a solid campsite. The view's great. We enjoyed the picture. Not a whole lot to do in the area, at least in the winter. It's you know, it's definitely worth the trip to come see the rocks, the Pictured Rocks. No question about it. Even if there's not a whole lot else going on except the casino, $200 and something. But so I'm going to give it a solid 8 as well.
Oh wow!
Yeah.
Maybe I can match.
Yeah, definitely recommend coming here. So with that said, we're going to head on out to our next destination. Until then, we will
See you down the road.
You've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers, and you'll find what you've got. When you grow up, you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers, and you'll find what you've got.